Okay, so I'm going to show you how to hold your tension right-handed edition. Using your left hand, you're going to get a nice long piece of yarn. Keep your left hand flat on the table, or up, doesn't really matter. So you're going to put the yarn in between your pinky and your ring finger, like this. There we go. Then, going to get the yarn and put it over these two fingers. So over your pinky and your ring finger. Then you're just going to hold it in place with your middle finger and your ring finger, just like this. Now you're going to turn your hand round and your hand should look like this. We're just going to take that yarn and untangle it. We're now going to put it over the top of your middle finger and your index finger. Then you're going to turn your hand to the side like this and just like pinch it like that. And that's it. And then you get your crochet hook in your right hand, because this is your right hand, because this is a right-handed video, and you're going to just hold it in your most comfortable position. I hold it like this. So that is how to hold your yarn and crochet hook. If you're a beginner, I recommend crochet hook size of around 3mm to 4. You know this by on the side. Usually most crochet hooks have this and it tells you how thick they are. If you carry on, you might begin to be able to make things like this and this and this. So make sure you persevere with crochet and you will not regret it. Thank you for watching. Bye.